Alright, we got the old gal up in the air. It looks like it's inspection time. It looks like we're working with some pretty rough shit. Yes it does. You know, the inside isn't half bad. Everything's complete. It needs a total redone. As you can see, all that sills are rotted out. For you American guys, rocker panels. But yeah, stuff is pretty rusty. It'd be all that be coming out. I mean, when it comes to brakes and stuff, I don't rebuild that stuff. I just buy new calipers, rotors, lines, or I'll rebend lines where needed, but I'll probably just do them all because I don't want crud getting into the new master cylinder. I'll probably need new master cylinder, new slave cylinders in the rear. Yeah, all big fun. We got quite a bit of funny stuff going on underneath here, but the floor is actually pretty solid. Yeah, it's gonna be a year to 2-year project, probably a 2-year project. I'm thinking I'll pull all the interior out and save what I can on the inside. A lot of it looks good. And I'm going to pull the body off this unit, so it just makes it a lot easier to work on the brake lines and everything else. Just take it off and do what I gotta do. So that's my progress. Just kind of initial inspection, getting it up on jacks and seeing where I'm at. Bye for now. Hello.